Hi guys, so this is going to be Clarins 24 days advent calendar, and this is what it looks like. It's such a big box and it's beautiful. I love the festive in front, all the fruits or whatever. And in the back, get all your information of the products that I'm going to be getting or you're going to be getting if you're thinking of getting this. And in the back, these are the things that I'll be getting on this box. So, and then we are going to open it. I have not seen it whatsoever. I like to buy these every year because Clarins products are really, really good. It's from France. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. I picked this one because I love the whole 24 days. And so this is what it looks like inside. Wow, look at that. Oh my. So I am just going to open the first one, which is not a bad size right here. This is number one. Oh, this is cool. So that's number one. And all the information, that's the reason why they put everything in this packaging right here in the front. So the first one is going to be, ooh, love this. It's the cleansing micellar water, which is really good size. It's 1.6 fluid ounce, which is a good um, travel size. I'm gonna put it back. I'll put it back that way it won't, everything won't fall. So number two is going to be right here. Ooh, good size. So number two is going to be mask. Ooh, I love this. Extra firming mask. It says smooths stress lines, firms, revives, and radiance. 0.5 ounce, which is not a bad size. So number three, let's put that back in. I love the trial size from Clarins because skincare is very expensive, and so I can't commit to buying. Ooh, so number three is pretty good size. It looks like a full size. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, it says relax bath and shower concentrate. Nice. 3.4 fluid ounce, which is a really good size for travel. And then I'm gonna put this back. Ooh, this is hard. Okay, so number four. Number four is right here. This is the moisture rich body lotion with shea butter for dry skin. I also love this. So I might actually buy the full size of this. This is 0.9 ounce, which is not bad size at all. Like, this is the reason why I love their advent calendar. They don't give you like a dinky sizes. They give you like a really good size that will last you for like a month or a couple of weeks or something. So number five is right here. Ooh. This is hydrating gentle foaming cleanser. Ooh, nice anti-pollution. 1 ounce. Not bad size. So this back. Now we're on to number six. Number six is right here. So for the price that I paid for this, it's really not a bad value at all. Oh, so this one is the Boost Radiance, I believe. Oh yeah, it's a primer, so it's not a bad size either. It's 0.3 ounce. I've tried this also. It's really nice. It's very subtle. It has a little glow primer. So number 7 down here. Ooh, hard to boom. Alright. So number 7 looks like a mascara. This is gonna be my second one. And it says Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. It's a full size. I've not tried any other mascara, so I might. Alright, so that was number 7. Now number 8 is going to be somewhere here, right here. I have to be very careful because they all fall. Okay, so this one, it says Comfort Scrub, Nourishing Oil Scrub with Sugar Micro Crystals, 0.4 ounce, which is not bad size. Wow, this is new. So, and then number 8, oh, number 9, 9. Where are you? I can't find number 9. Where is number 9? Help! Okay, so is that 6 or 9? Okay, so that's 9. And this is, ooh, it's a Total Eye Lift Replenishing Eye Concentrate. And it's 0.2 ounce, which is nice. So number 10. Ooh. So this is Exfoliating Body Scrub for Smooth Skin with Bamboo Powders. Soft and smooth firms. Nice. This is 1 ounce. So look at that. It's really not a bad trial size or a travel size. So I'll put that back. Number 11 is right here. Ooh. No. See how easy that was. Ooh. Don't fall, don't fall. Okay. So 11 is right here. Ooh. Never tried this before. It says Tonic Hydrating Oil Balm with essential oils. It's 1 ounce. Tonic Hydrating Oil Balm. Nice. So that's nice. I like all this these little packaging because you can reuse this for, like, I don't know, like for a gift or something like that. So number 12 is going to be 12 right here. So this is a total cleansing oil. I love this so much, actually. I'm probably gonna buy the bigger version of this, the full size. Oh, what was that? I'm getting 1.6 fluid ounce, which is not a bad size at all. So 12, now 13. Where are you? 13, come on. Oh, right here. Be careful. All right. So, ooh, another hydrating toning lotion with aloe vera and saffron flower extracts, normal to dry skin. This is 1.6 fluid ounce, which is really, really great. I've never tried this, so I'm excited to try that. So 14 is right here. Looks like a big one. Oopsie daisy. Look how big that is. Looks like a lotion. Alright, so it says hand and nail treatment cream. Softened hands, targets age spots, strengthens nails. Looks like a full size. 3.4 ounce. Full size to me. I'm excited for that one. Alright, just gonna put this here. 15 is going to be right here. Careful. Okay, 15. Not a bad size. Alright, so this is a mask. I've tried this before and I really, really like it. So 0.45 ounce. It says moisture and Quincy silky cream. No, actually, it's not a mask. It's a moisturizer, which I like a lot. So I'm probably gonna buy the full version of this. I like this a lot. So the next one is going to be 16. 16 is right here. All right, not bad size again. All right, so this one is Velvet Cleansing Milk. Wow, this is 1.6 ounce, which is nice. I love cleansing oil and cleansing milk. They're really gentle. Okay, so 17 is going to be right here. Oops, 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 oops. Don't fall. Not bad size. Probably. Ooh, what is this? A natural lip perfector. Last time I got like a full size. This time only got like the 0.15 ounce, which is not bad size. I mean, probably can't get through the big size anyway. So now we are going to go with the number 18, which is up here. Ooh, hard to get it off. You gotta have long nails to pick all this. Okay, so 18 is looking like a small instant smooth perfect touch. So this one is basically, you can use this like a primer in a way, or you can just like use it alone and it blurs your pores and all your wrinkles and everything if you have any. So that's a good one. Okay, so 19. All right, 19 is right here. And it's the Beauty Flash Balm Tightening and Radiance Boosting. So we are getting 0.5 ounce. I don't know what this does. So I guess it's for your body. Okay, so 20. So 20 is right here. Oops. Ooh. This one is Bust Beauty Extra Lift Gel Shapes and Tightens. It's 0.53 ounce, almost 1 fluid ounce. And I don't know if this is probably more likely for the body. So it's a good one. Okay, put this back. So 21, we're almost finished. Where are you? Okay, 21 is so small. Okay, so 21, it's like a sample. Ooh. Now I have this, I just have not tried it, which is a good thing that I can try it in this little, trial right here. It says Blue Orchid Treatment Oil, and this is 0.17 made in France. Wow, I love the little dropper right here. Excited to try that before I use the bigger size, of course. All right, so 22 is right here. Boom. Ooh. Okay, so it's not a bad size again. All of this are pretty good sizes to me. All right, here's the mask. Refreshing hydration mask. So this one I love. I'm probably gonna buy the bigger version of this, 0.5 ounce. And I tried this from the last year's advent calendar. So I'm like, oh, why bother, getting the bigger version if I'm gonna get another advent calendar. So here it is. Another 6 months of that. I'm good to go. So 23 is going to be right here. Ooh, come on. There. All right. 23 is energizing emotion suits tired legs. So apparently it's for your legs or something. So it's kind of like a liquidy. So we are getting 1 ounce. Wow. I don't know what this is for, but I'm excited to try. Put this back. Okay, and for the last one is down here, 24. Oops. All right. And we are getting a full size of the oil lip treatment. You guys, this is nice. So I've not tried the yellow one, but I've tried the red one before. So wow, this is huge. Look at that. I'm excited to try it. Wow, 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 wow. I'm happy so far. So if you're thinking of getting this advent calendar, oh my gosh, this is a really, really awesome advent calendar. You are almost getting like mostly full size, and the even the trial size or the travel size, it's really good try because it'll last you a long time because they're not dinky, they're bigger size. So it you for the price, it's an awesome advent calendar. So if you're thinking of getting Clarins advent calendar, this is available at clarins.com. Everywhere. Basically, I will link the places where you can get this from. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.